snorkeling at Silfra. I can't believe we just did that.
Yeah.
That was so amazing. James said that he would do it again.
That was really fun.
And he was really worried. He was scared about the cold water.
I don't think that's like, I don't think that's a crazy thought.
Yeah.
But this fucking water's 0 degrees Celsius.
Yeah.
At least,
Woo.
at most.
Look at this view. It's so beautiful. So we're driving right now what's considered to be the Golden Circle, and this is during winter time. And we chose to come during winter mostly so we can see the northern lights, but that means that there's only 5 hours of sunlight or so. Yesterday we barely saw any sun because there was a blizzard that we didn't even know about. Apparently it started when we were at the Blue Lagoon, and that's when it started snowing, and it hurt real bad getting hit in the face with snow while you're in the Blue Lagoon, but we still had a good time. But yeah, I guess that's why there's so much freaking snow everywhere, because there was a blizzard. And yeah, that's pretty cool. He survived a blizzard in Iceland. That's gonna be my title of this video. Alright, we're finally here at Geysir area to see the geyser, or Geysir. Decided to put on our snow pants. Got my snow pants on. Whoa, look at that. It tells you the temperature. I wonder what that is in Fahrenheit. 80 to 100 Celsius? As the rocks are smoking.
Yeah, that's fucking hot as shit.
Yeah, fucking. If you want to burn yourself, fucking pick up a rock. It smells like farts. Yummy. Iceland. Smelling like farts. Danger. 100 degrees Celsius. Look at all the wild tourists over there in their natural habitat, taking photos one at a time. Right now we're just outside, we're waiting for the geyser to explode. So it's been going off like every few minutes. So I'm trying to get an up close shot. Whew, it's cold. Oh my gosh. There it goes. Woo. Don't throw your coins. There we go. Don't be an idiot. How do you pronounce this? Konushlebe? Oh boy. A fart smell's coming right at me. Whew. James and I just attempted to fly the drone. Oh look, there's a drone up there. And we had no idea how to use it really, so we stopped because we were scared. I got a little video clip, but it's not that high, so it's not like that drone that's up there. I think I barely got it above my head, honestly. So we should probably practice that, I guess. Not while we're in front of a bunch of geysers, right?
Geysir.
Yes, he is. Alright, so we just left the Geysirs. Now we're headed to Gulfoss waterfall to see if we can check it out before the sun really goes down. Right now it's 4:17 p.m. The sun goes down usually around like, I'm thinking like 5:30 or something. But yeah, it's not too bright out right now, but we'll see if we can check out the waterfall. Right now the GPS says we're 10 minutes away, so off we go. We just got to Gulfoss, And this view is ridiculous. Oh my God. All right, we're gonna go up these stairs and get a better view of Gulfoss. So much snow. I should also do a counter on how many times I say so much snow. No drones. This is insane. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. I can't believe we could see this with our eyes. Nature. It's so beautiful. James is driving consistently. I'm not allowed to drive here in Iceland because we would flip or crash or who knows what. It's, what time is it? It's 5:50. Okay. No, it's not. It is. Oh my God. Okay. It's 5:50 p.m. It's dark outside. There's no sun at all. This is the light from the car. We have an hour and 23-minute drive till we get back to Reykjavik, where our Airbnb is. We just did the Golden Circle today. We're very hungry. All we ate today was our breakfast, which is a wrap that we bought yesterday, some snacks that I packed, and that's about it, right? And we had hot chocolate after Silfra, which our guide Andy gave us, which is very nice. The hot chocolate actually warmed us up very nicely. We had like 3 cups of it each. So yeah, we just saw what's going on here. We got some people not knowing how to drive. Some of these tourists on the road, not a good look. Don't know how to drive. But yeah, we're on our way back to our Airbnb. We should get there at like 7:14, but this is what it looks like. No sun at all. It's dark and we're driving. So, see you later. James and I are driving back to Reykjavik right now. It's 6:30 and we're driving through a blizzard. It's so bad. We can't see anything behind us, in front of us. There's one car in front of us, thankfully, but we can't see anything. All you can see is snow. This is crazy. And we have 53 minutes left and I'm very anxious right now. Look at the freaking wind and the snow. Oh my God. This is really bad. The wind. You can literally see the wind. It looks so strong. Fun fact, Iceland is the 3rd windiest country in the world. And I can see why now. All the wind is coming from the right-hand side. Look, you can see it better here. Oh my gosh. It's so windy. Fuck. 45 minutes left until we get to Reykjavik. I'm using my phone as like a flashlight. The blizzard is really bad. It's actually, do you think the snow's starting to get a little better now, babe? No. The winds are so horrible. They're so strong. And my anxiety is like at an all-time high. It's very scary. And I guess I'm more scared just because earlier today we saw a car that was flipped on the side of the road. So that's a scary thought. Our guide, Andy, earlier today kind of made a joke saying like, oh, it's like a privilege or like a rite of passage or something to like get in a car crash or like have your car flip or something in Iceland. I'm like, no thank you. But yeah, we're just trying to make it. 44 minutes until we get to our Airbnb, and we're starving. We haven't eaten anything. Well, we haven't eaten much today besides like a few snacks and our wrap this morning, like I said. 44 minutes. Counting them down. Alright, it's 10:30 at night. James and I finally got back from the Golden Circle. We drove through the scariest blizzard ever. I was so scared. James was driving and he drove amazing. We were supposed to get back like in an hour and 45 minutes. Ended up taking us about 3 hours or so because we had to drive so slow. The main road that we were driving on back from the Golden Circle had absolutely no lights. They only had like road markers that had like slightly like reflective lining on them. So at one point it was snowing so hard that we couldn't see anything in front of us. We couldn't tell if there was a road paved, and thankfully we had our destination mapped out on Google Maps and offline maps, or else we wouldn't have known like what the road was looking like ahead of us. We were literally looking at our maps on the phone saying, okay, the road is gonna curve now to the right, and we would start turning just a little bit at a time, and we'd look for the road markers on the left and the right side. We'd be like left, right, left, right, left, right, and we were trying to drive in the middle of the road unless we saw another car coming on the other side. Then we'd move over and drive on the right hand side. But the snow and the wind was crazy. And apparently Iceland is the third windiest country in the world, and I could see why, because those winds were like an equivalent to like a Category 4 hurricane back home, and it was just so crazy. I was so scared. We saw 4 cars swerve and fly into a freaking ditch on the side of the road, and I felt so bad. I wanted to help them so bad, but the wind and the snow was just so bad. If we opened the freaking door, the door would have broken off, or like I would have flown away. I'm being freaking serious. Like, and it was pitch black outside. Like there's nothing we could have done. The only cars that were coming the opposite way back onto the road that we were on, I'm pretty sure were like was help squad. And at one point when we got onto the main road back to Reykjavik, that's all lit up, has lights on it, there was search and rescue trucks there. There was like news people there with like cameras. They're wearing like, there was police and like with vests on, and they were rescuing someone. I don't know what was going on, but it was a crazy blizzard. Something that we'll never forget. It was really scary. I was FaceTiming Katie a little bit and just telling her how scared I was, and James is the best. He drove so amazingly. He kept his calm, and I try to keep my calm. And then finally, when I knew that we were safe, I cried my eyes out because just from relief. So now we're back at the Airbnb, and it feels so nice just to be here, safe and alive, because that was the freaking craziest crap we've ever been through. So yeah, Iceland blizzard 2019. We survived. But yeah, this is the end of vlog day 2 in Iceland. So yeah, hope you enjoyed everything. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.